Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we'll be looking at the euro yen. Now, there isn't much movements in the market today during the Asian session, and I don't expect there to be more movements later on tonight because the US is already having their holidays. If any movements going to come in, it should be around this time during the London session open. All right. However, I spot a very nice intraday setup, which I will want to share with you guys. So very quickly, let's start by looking at the chart, Euro Yen. Okay, so I want to start with the daily. It's going to be a bit hard to see the setup on the daily. However, it's interesting to note that when we see this push up, all right, can take a retracement from the low to the high, and price actually reacted right at the 50%. You can see the 50% right here. Okay, looking left, we have no point of reference, no support and resistance, no support, no resistance. All right, no graphical levels. So we can only say that price actually reacted off this area um, at the 50% Fibonacci level. Now, I don't really like just using Fibonacci alone because we should never ever just depend on one source. All right. However, what I want to point out is that there is another amazing way why price actually reacted at that level. Now, if we change to line chart, okay, if we change to line chart, we see that there are a few lows that we can connect together. So we go back to candlestick. We can touch the candles. Okay, it's okay to cut the wick, but let's never cut the body, right? We actually see that when price made a low here, price actually touched the trend line at this point. And if we connect these 2 points and project it forward, this is where the trend line is actually holding price. So even though price seems to react out of nowhere, this trend line is really the thing that is causing price to react. So price is on an upward trend on the daily, and I'm expecting price to just push slightly higher and possibly even to the recent swing high. Right, so this level, you can consider it our daily resistance. Okay, and we can consider this our daily support. Okay, so very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours. So this trend line is still intact. Let's remove it, and I just want to focus on. I just want to zoom in and focus on this area here. Okay. So we see that price has actually made sort of a zigzag pattern, right? Especially recently, this zigzag. We can use a Fibonacci extension to find out where price could very well head towards. Already tested the 61.8. What I'm thinking price will do is actually move higher and test the 100%. Okay, so we can have the 100% over here, and the 100%, if we look to the left, there's actually a point of reference. It is this swing high here as well. Okay, so this is the 4-hour resistance. Okay, and connecting all these lows, we also have a trend line, ascending trend line, right? We can cut the wick, okay, and we see that price is actually testing it just nice, or we can take the extreme, all right, and we can still see the price is holding very nicely. So on a 4-hour, seems like price could very well come down towards the trend line before making a push up. Okay, or price can just make a push up right now. All right, but I prefer to have things in line, find confluence. So we can have this support level. It is 4-hour support, all right, which is in line with the recent swing low in close, okay, and also in line with the trend line. This can sort of be our buy entry. Okay, and we can play towards the first target, the 4-hour, the 121.98 level. All right, and people ask me where my stop loss will be. Well, stop loss is always the place where you know your trade is invalidated, right? And if anything, it will be below this spike. Okay, so I'll move it slightly below the spike. Now, why I can ignore the daily resistance for now, but why is my stop loss over there is simply because if this is one zigzag, okay, we can see how far price can go low, 2, 3, and you see this is the 100%, right? It's a key Fibonacci extension level. Even if I highlight the 61.8, the 61.8 is still where price currently is. Okay, so 100% is a key Fibonacci extension level. If price goes beyond here, two factors: price would have broken below the descending trend line support, and definitely close below it. So once price is below here, my bullish idea is wrong. I can flip my trade, go short, and just play down to recuperate some loss towards the recent sweep low. Okay, so this is really a very quick analysis of the intraday euro yen and trade of the day. I'm waiting for a pullback down. Okay, even on the 1 hour, the picture hasn't changed, right? You can look at the 1 hour picture and we still see that price is holding very nicely on this ascending trend line support. Okay, so we're just waiting for price to come back down here, and price should do that during over the course of today, right? So I'll just for presentation sake, I'm going to put it in 4 hours. Right, so thanks everyone for tuning into today's trade of the day, the Euro Yen. Hope all of you guys managed to have a good trading week, and for now, have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.